PCBs are a marvel of modern science, while corrosion is a part of their natural life cycle. But what if I told you we can add a coating different from standard conformal coating that could help protect against water, salt water, dust, is IP67 and 68 rated, does not interfere with intended electrical conductivity, does not interfere with soldering, can be easily reapplied after soldering, and can last up to 7 years. It sounds too good to be true, but it's real. Hi, Pedro here, and today I have something really special for you. And it's this little bottle. Ooh. Now what is this little bottle? It's NanoFlowX. It's the V2. They have 4 versions of it, but I'm gonna try out this. Now what's this for, you might ask? Well, that's a great question. It's to provide your circuit boards with a very thin, very cool little coating that's gonna protect against water, dust, salt, and other nasties that ruin your PCBs, that ruin your circuits. That's pretty badass. Not only that, but it doesn't interfere with electrical conductivity or switches or any of that. It's magic, and I love it. And I want to show you how it works because as of this video, I'm releasing the service. I'm going to start offering NanoFlowX surfacing for your little PCBs. Why the little ones? Is because I only have a very little amount, and it's going to take time to build up enough liquid to do the bigger ones. So with that out of the way, let's see how it works. I'm going to apply NanoFlowX V2 with a UV trace on a variable USB-C PD trigger. I'll measure 2 voltages from it to get a before and after application measurement. It's time to get the bath ready. A link to NanoFlowX's site for their info will be left in the description below so you can check them out for yourselves. This bath will apply a 500 nanometer IP68 conformal coating that will cure clear, but will be visible under UV light. It's in there longer than needed, but that's okay and will not make the resulting shell thicker than needed. There isn't much to drip off, so I'm going to begin curing it. This process will take a few minutes for each side, so we'll skip ahead to where I've treated another trigger and the end of the cable that will be used for the demonstration. Let's look at the coating on the UV light for each piece. While it's been engineered to be handled with bare hands, it can gradually wear away after repeated rubbing or abrasion on smooth metal surfaces like aluminum housing. It's only 500 nanometers thick after all. Next, we're looking at how they function after coating before submerging them in water. And we'll see that everything is just as it was before. Time to see the magic firsthand with some water fresh from the kitchen sink. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That was really cool. At first I was really nervous trying it out, but then when I actually got it going, it's really cool. So I'm really happy with this guy. I'm really happy with this. I'm impressed. And I hope you guys are pretty excited about it too. So with that, as of right now, NanoFlowX is available on my website for you guys to send in your PCBs to have treated. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.